Hey guys, Derek here from Modern Castle. The Airdog X3 offers a new approach to air purification with both a washable filter and an electric field that kills bacteria. Is it worth your money? Let's go ahead and find out now. Let's start by taking a look at the design of the Airdog X3. The X3 is a medium-sized unit that is designed to sit on the floor. It is a white matte shell and carrying handles. The controls for the Airdog are located on top of the Purifier. It has a simple display that shows power, fan speed, air quality index, filter status, and error reports. The Airdog X3 stands 14.5 inches tall and it's 12 inches wide by 12 inches deep. It weighs 12.7 pounds. The X3 works by air entering the air intake vents at the bottom of the unit. As the air travels through the system, the electric field kills bacteria and the washable filter captures loose debris. Once the air is clean, it exits the system out of the vents on the top of the unit and distributes the air throughout the room. The Airdog uses two-pole active technology. This is a system that is proprietary to Airdog. Instead of trapping pollutants as the HEPA filter would, the TPA system uses ionic technology to destroy the toxins. You may have heard that ionic air purification technology has the potential to create ozone. In high quantities, ozone is harmful to your health. Airdog sent us a report from an independent testing lab which indicated that the X3 does create ozone, but at a much lower level than what is considered harmful. According to that report, the X3 produces 0.0053 parts per million of ozone, while the CDC's recommendation for ozone exposure limit is 0.1 ppm. By that standard, the X3 is qualified as safe for home use. Check the link in the description if you're interested in purchasing the X3. The Airdog X3 includes 4 different filter layers. It includes a pre-filter, electrode plate, washable filter plate, and carbon filter. The pre-filter is the first step in the purification process. It's designed to remove large particulates like lint, hair, dust, and more. The next step in the process is the electrode generator. It uses electric power to kill bacteria instead of just trapping pollutants. After that, the filter plate captures any debris that has not been caught by the first 2 filters. Finally, the carbon filter removes odors like food, smoke, and pets. Now let's take a look and see how the Airdog X3 did on our air purification tests. At Modern Castle, we test air purifiers using a laser-based air quality measurement device. We take a baseline measurement in a medium-sized room. Then, we run the air purifier on the highest setting for 1 hour. Finally, we take another measurement of the air quality and compare it to the baseline. Measurements include the number of particulates that are 2.5 microns or smaller, listed as PM2.5, as well as particulates that are 10 microns or smaller, listed as PM10. Our measurements also include the total number of particulates in the air, as well as the air quality index. After our 1-hour purification test, the Airdog X3 was able to reduce PM2.5 from 2.7 to 0.4. PM10 was reduced from 4.4 to 0.6. Total particulates went from 726 to 69, and the air quality index was improved from 11 to 1. Overall, the Airdog removed 90.5% of particulates during our test, and PM2.5 air quality was improved by 85.2%. You ever look at your YouTube channel and think, I got too many subscribers? Me either. Subscribe. The Airdog X3 is easy to operate either through the control buttons on top of the unit or through the app. The Airdog app pairs with your X3 purifier. Through the app, you can adjust settings or check the purifier's performance. The app can also check air quality in real time. Additionally, you can set the purifier to auto mode. In this mode, the X3 will make automatic adjustments when indoor air quality dips below a certain level. As for maintenance, the X3 stands out from most other air purifiers because it does not require replacement filters. Each of the 3 filters in the X3 can be cleaned and reused. The pre-filter can be rinsed in cold water. The electrode generator does not need to be cleaned, and the filter plate can be cleaned in the dishwasher or washed with warm water. Even the carbon filter will work for the life of the unit. However, it does need to be refreshed occasionally by placing it in direct sunlight. So, should you buy the Airdog X3? The X3 is a good value with highlights including auto mode, multi-stage filtration, and variable fan speeds. Perhaps the most significant feature is the washable filters. This keeps maintenance costs low and helps reduce waste. I recommend the Airdog X3 if you're looking for solid air purification performance. The X3 did an excellent job cleaning the air during our purification tests. It was able to remove 90.5% of air particulates and improve PM2.5 by 85.2%. I also recommend the X3 if you want low maintenance costs. The washable filter plate and electrode generator technology help to keep the annual maintenance cost at virtually zero. As long as the filters don't break, they can be expected to last for the life of the unit. And finally, I recommend the X3 if you want auto mode. This is a convenient feature that allows the unit to self-adjust according to air quality levels, so you don't have to check in on it. If you do want to check, the app control makes it easy to monitor air quality levels. Well guys, that is it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. For comments or questions, please drop us those notes down below. Do you have an Airdog air purifier at home? We'd love to hear what you think about it. If you're interested in purchasing the X3, we've got a link in the description. For more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit us over at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching.